Bang! Neeves Knives. I'm Jared with my lovely wife, Kara.
Hello.
Today we are doing an unboxing from a package that we got from Stassafied. Let's get to it.
It feels heavy.
There's definitely more than one knife.
You unbox and then I unbox. You unbox the box and then I'll take the items out. Pause. Whoa. I have this fear that the camera's not recording. Please let me check. Don't pee.
Everything good?
Yes. I was scared. Different camera today, folks.
Whoa.
No, I get to do this part. I said, you do the box and I do the box. I said. Take it.
Some Holt Blade Works. These things are really badass. This thing is going right there.
These are cool.
That is so awesome. We're gonna need a bigger sticker board. Whole bunch of them. Oh, it's cool.
It's
he sent us a bunch of swag. That's so awesome. Stasha.
You're screaming.
That's so awesome.
The microphone is gonna literally freak out.
Well, then we should have used a different camera. All right, we'll go through these later.
Oh, I like these.
It's Nichols Damascus. That's what it is. It's about steel.
I like these. They're round.
Then get to it, damn it.
We have a tiny box.
It's damn designed. Come on. That is so awesome. Look at that. It's one of those little mini pry bars, and that's so cool. We love mini pry bars, and this thing is just super awesome.
Oh, baby.
A nuck. Yeah, that's what I thought was probably going to be in there. Oh, yeah. Well,
Didn't hurt me.
It goes this way.
No, I don't want to do it that way. That's going to hurt me.
Well, that's the way you're supposed to do it.
Come on.
Yeah, I broke your knuckle. Let me see it. And Stasha has been doing some really bad. Okay, somebody's got to, kind of patented or whatever this certain type of ano job. I think it's. I forget what's that ano job called, baby. It's like not disease. No, it's not. It's kind of like lightning, but it's infected or something like that.
We'll add the name in, but anyways, he is currently doing this type of job. He told me that he's taking orders for it.
He was taught how to do it. So him and only like a couple people on the planet know how to get this type of reaction out of doing the anodizing. And so if you want this type of anodizing done on anything, check him out. Get a hold of him.
Stassafied. We will link him below.
Yes.
I think he said these were for us to keep. He told me that.
I doubt that.
He said there was 2 things in the box with his finish on it and that they were for us to keep.
Really?
Yes.
No way.
Yes.
What? I don't want to believe that until I know for sure.
He did. He said it to me.
Okay, that's awesome. Either way.
Okay, no, I'm stuck on this right now.
So cool.
This tiny little spider coat. I'm gonna wear it on my hat. Look at that. 2 for 2.
Get over the damn bubble wrap. Wallet.
This is those wallets I keep telling you about. These ones that are minimalist wallets. That one's nice because it has a big cutout and we know you're a sucker.
Is this aluminum or titanium?
It's aluminum.
It's definitely aluminum or titanium. But yeah, it's a minimalist wallet. You stuff your stuff in between there, like your cards right here, and then you have a slot to pull them out right there. That's really cool, Stasha. This is really cool. What?
You're gonna lose your
Can't wait.
You're gonna lose your
Yeah. Come on.
I can't breathe.
Do it. Oh my God. I've been wanting to check this thing out. This thing, it's the Goblin. This thing is.
Why don't you show it? No one can see past
your sorry. It's the Best Tech Goblin. This thing's way smaller than I thought it was gonna be. These things are so awesome.
That it's cute.
I love it because this blade shape is like so perfect for me. I mean, you can.
I want to see.
It's just like a razor, like a fixed blade. Hold on, one more flick. Wow, that thing's got some good action. This thing literally, it's like it rockets out. That is awesome. And then he did his job one more time. He showed the ano work. Bring it up there. Okay. He did his ano. He did an ano job on both sides, and then did that lightning ano. I gotta figure it out what the exact name of it is. We'll obviously probably put it on the screen or something. But
yeah, we will. So you don't have to keep saying that you don't know, because I'll put it up.
The lightning ano job or whatever it's called. He did it on the clip. It looks really, really cool. He did a damn good job on it.
Sweet. This thing has absolutely incredible action. What's going on here? It almost looks like the edge of this.
Yeah, that's what I
You
thought.
see that? It looks flame
sides.
around around the
edges.
edge. Look at that, guys. That is beautiful. All right, I'm coming back.
Yep, now we're to the note, as always, late to the game.
On his card, so there's that for you guys. It says, keep up the great work. The Neeves Knives Duo rocks. I hope y'all enjoyed checking out the knives and the Blade Show extras.
Hell yeah.
Stassa 23.
That is awesome. All right, now we're getting some meat and
I
potatoes.
see a Kaiser pouch.
Kaiser pouch. What is it? Oh my goodness. Is this the king? What is this? What is this? What is that? What is that?
Is this the Yorkie?
Oh, is that the Yorkie?
Is it? Yes!
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 This is so awesome.
Okay, guys.
Come on.
This is that finish.
Damn it, you didn't let me check it out before you walk off with it. What's in this?
Don't you dare. Don't you dare.
Oh.
Flip it over. Flip it over. Flip it over.
Go ahead. Come on. Let me play with it
Look at
next
that,
time.
guys. Wow, look at that.
He does a really good job.
Oh my god.
And
it shows better on this than anything.
And obviously, if you need some, he does other little mods too, so don't think it's
This
just, I don't know for sure.
Is like my dream.
Talking over me.
I like it.
I understand, sweetheart.
I don't know which one I like better.
Ooh, yeah, that action's awesome.
action
This thing
is-
just has a really cool feeling.
This thing has really good action too.
But what I was saying was that, I don't know exactly everything he does, all the services that he provides, but I know 100% that he's providing an ano service. So if you need this specific type of ano job that you can only get in a couple places, or which he's done a bunch of times, and obviously he's gotten very good at it, or just any type of anodizing job I'm sure you can get from him. You know, let me play with the knife first.
It's a Vox design.
I know, let me check it out. That is so awesome.
Viper? No, Viper's the other. I forget the name of this one. I've seen it before though. It's really cool. Every single knife he has sent so far has been like
your
mine.
favorite knives?
Yeah.
But that doesn't take it
You
away
like
from
them
me.
too.
This is the one that I'm loving this.
I wanted this knife, you know, when it came out. You
Yeah,
talked
that one
me
too.
out of it. I remember that.
I never talked her
You
out of
did.
shit. I never talked you out
did.
of that. No, I didn't. I did
You were
not.
like, oh man.
Oh man, you can easily middle finger flick this thing. This thing is a joy to middle finger flick.
Look how good these look on your Hank. We'll have to show that.
Now I know why Stasha likes this knife so much. This thing, man, it's got amazing action, guys. This thing is so awesome. And then the milling around the edges is just amazing. Stop going ahead.
Well,
the
we have a
edge
time frame
that
here.
Stasha put on there is great. This thing has amazing middle finger, thumb, and flicking action. It's just incredible. And it feels really good in the hand for such a little knife. Okay, let's do it.
The left-handed Sebenza.
You know,
All right, so hold on. I have some stuff to say because this primarily was so that I could check out a smaller one. This is the small one.
there's other stuff in there.
Yes. I don't know how I feel about a left-handed frame. I'm left-handed. I've never had a left-handed knife before. It feels so bizarre to me to have the frame be the right way that I could get used to it. Don't get me wrong. I'm trying to think.
You always thought in the back of your head that you wouldn't
I've
like
gotta
it
try it
because you're
right-handed.
so used to.
Yeah, and that's how I feel. It feels completely backwards.
Yeah, I bet.
Although
See, now you're trying to do it with your
I'm
right
going
hand. Let me
backwards.
try it. Let me try it. See,
Feel it. Yeah, you feel it.
The way
Feel
I
it.
would
You
do
do.
is I would middle finger flick it. That
It's
felt
really
good.
smooth.
Some people are large Sebenza fans. Some people are small Sebenza fans, and I was really excited about getting to this.
even with the small and the left, I don't think Sebenza is my knife. I see
love it.
We know you love it.
And I like the smalls
Can
now.
I say why? Because it's probably a less frequent opinion for somebody to not like one than like one.
Okay.
So I don't like it. I like it if it's open and I'm going to be needing it
Using
for
it.
something hard use related or any use related.
This is the Nkosi.
But as far as the finish and the texture and the action, it's just not really for me.
Whoa, Stasha, you went up and beyond here.
That's the
Holy-
orange. It's the best tech. Whoa. Wow, that
We've been waiting to get our hands on some
Paladin.
best techs too. This is awesome.
Yeah, you know we've never had or even held the best tech. Wow, that is smooth.
Stassa, man, you got some good edges.
This is a cool little knife pouch.
Wow, this thing does have some good action. I like the
We've got a lot to get
sharpening
through
choil is done so good on this knife. This is like the perfect sharpening choil.
We need to alert the world about this SOG. Why has SOG been keeping this from us? Look at this. Watch. I just want you to watch.
Yeah.
Ready?
Oh yeah. I seen a video on this.
No, but like watch.
I know. You know who just did a video on this?
Feel how it sucks it in. I don't even want to know because I just want you to feel this right now.
I know, but somebody just did a video on this.
We're doing a video on it right now.
Wow. It's CTS BD1 too. I think it was Jersey who did this. Man, this thing is awesome. What is that?
Close your
I
eyes.
really like this song.
Close them. Open your hand. Guess what it is.
Guess?
Guess. I don't know if you can do that.
Whoa. It's big. I can't guess. There's no way I can guess. It's
Okay,
smooth.
close
Wow,
it, close it, and guess with your eyes open.
This is a React.
How do you know that?
Wow. Stasha! Holy cow.
Now I see why there was an insurance on this package.
Well, all these knives
Holy
are expensive though. This is a lot of money in
I
knives.
know.
Man, Stasha, this thing's action is just unbelievable. We're not done?
No, I'm trying to keep you moving here, pal.
Very, very awesome knife.
Right.
Look at that action. Hold on one second. I just got... Oh, my God, that action. Okay, come on.
Close your eyes.
Not again.
Yes.
I'm doing this
Yes.
for you next time. Guess again?
Yeah, you know this one. You've been wanting to check it out.
I've been wanting to check
From
this.
your buddy Dave.
What?
From your buddy Dave.
I
Dave.
don't know. What Dave?
Warren.
From Dave Warren. What, is this the Hive?
No.
Uh,
You can
I
feel
don't
it in
think
the
it'd be-
scales. Open your eyes. You can easily feel it in the scales.
Oh.
Show it to them. Stop hogging the knife.
This is a Tuya. Which Tuya is this one? The Dan.
It's that one. Flip it over.
I know. I can't think of the name of it.
It's on there. I think.
No, it's not.
It's
No,
not.
no.
First production.
Yeah, 68 out of 100. They do that
I
with
don't
a lot
know
of
the
their
name,
knives.
but it's really cool. And I actually never knew that those texturing on the scales. I never knew. Show it. The texturing.
From the scale.
Yeah,
oh yeah, the
scales.
ripples.
I never knew that was actually
didn't know
you
that?
could feel it.
Oh my God, I watched so many videos on this night because I almost got this one, but I wound up getting the Tuya Envy. And this thing, let me just tell you guys really quick. Tuya does an amazing job with their knives. Like Tuya feels a lot like a high, well they make high-end knives, but like not exactly like Riat, but they feel like a quality knife like Riat. Like the action on this knife is incredible. What is it? Why don't you show me?
ProTech Strider. Is that or did they just rip Strider off?
No,
Which is it?
no. This is they did a collaboration. This is I've never
believe
held a Strider.
That is the last one, my friends.
I've never held a Strider. Stasha, man,
Wow.
this is incredible.
I want to punch this face into someone's face.
This
I would
is
never do
so
that though, but it would just be fun to
awesome.
leave the mark.
Oh
Don't
my
flinch.
God.
Why are you flinching? Yeah, it would totally leave that mark on
Oh,
someone's face.
this is so badass. Man, you went like beyond badass here. So we got
This is
the
just
Strider
rad.
ProTech. We got
Oh,
the Best Tech Paladin. Super badass. This thing would be an awesome work knife. We got the Goblin by Best Tech, and I love this knife. The Kaiser Yorkie, which we were wanting to check out for a long. All these knives we were. The
love that
left-handed
Yorkie.
Sebenza and Kosi. Mini. Sorry. The SOG. I don't know the name to, but it has one of the best access locks I've ever felt in my life. The React something. The React.
CTP something.
That's
the
the
steel. I
yeah.
know.
I forget the name of this. You know what's weird is like when we're off camera, I could tell you every single one of these names on these knives. No. But when you're on camera, things start happening.
That
this
thing
one
is so cool.
Is the Viper. Damn it, this thing.
It's really cool.
Oh my god, I love this. I love all these knives, but damn it, this thing is so badass. Next up is Tuya.
You know what? That knife has always reminded me of a topographical.
Dave Warren is my buddy. What?
That knife has always reminded me of a topographical, like geographical.
A lot
map.
of people say that, yeah. The finish, because this also raises up. What?
I say that.
Okay, Kara told everybody, and now everybody else says it.
Yeah. So if you guys want to get something with this finish, he said he is taking orders. Stassa23, find him in the description. See if he can take an order for you too. I'm sure he can. All right, thank you guys for watching. Stassa, thank you so much. This has been incredible. I'm blown away. I'm blown away.
Man, this knife is so bad.
I know, I love that thing. All right.
Thank you, Stassa. Ugh, this is so awesome.